Hey people, so we are at this place called Aggarwal Sweets that is very close to Sindhi colony, and it's uh, it's basically that's what a place where you get really good chaat, and this is chum chum for 30 bucks and bhel puri for 60 bucks. And as you can see, this is morning time, so morning as in it is 12:30, and that's what is pretty nice. You get chart items here, and because I have the fan right at me, it's quite cool and relaxing. So I would recommend this place. It's called Aggarwal Sweets, and it is very close to Sindhi colony. In fact, it's on the main road right next to Naturals ice cream. So yeah, this is how it is, and I would highly recommend this place for hanging out with friends perhaps.